In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account and head into your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the billing section in the main navigation, then select Invoices. This is where you can create, send, and manage invoices, so it's the main area you'll be working from for this process. Next, click Create a Test Invoice if you're practicing in a test environment, or Create Invoice if you're working in a live account. It's a good idea to make sure you're in the correct mode before moving forward, especially if you want to avoid sending anything unintentionally. In the customer field, search for an existing customer if they're already in your Stripe account. If not, you can create a new customer right here. After that, choose the invoice currency. Make sure you select the correct one, since currency affects how the invoice is billed and displayed to the customer. Now move down to the Items section and click Find or Add an Item. From here, you can either select a product from your product catalog or create a one-time invoice item. If prompted, enter the quantity, price, and description. This is where clarity really matters, because the customer should be able to understand exactly what they're being charged for. As you build the invoice, take a look at the preview panel on the right side of the screen. This gives you a real-time view of how the invoice will appear, which is helpful for catching mistakes early. Under Payment Collection, choose the option that fits your billing workflow. You can select Request Payment if you want. Stripe to send an invoice the customer can pay manually, or choose Auto Charge Customer if you want. Stripe to automatically charge a saved payment method. The right choice depends on how you normally collect payments and whether the customer already has a payment method on file. If needed, expand additional options. This is where you can add notes, adjust tax settings, apply discounts, or include custom invoice details. These options are especially useful if you want the invoice to include extra context or match specific business requirements. Before sending anything, review all invoice information carefully for accuracy. When everything looks right, click Review Invoice in the top right corner. On the final review screen, check the invoice preview one more time to confirm all the details. Then click Send Invoice or Finalize Invoice to officially issue the invoice to your customer. After that, you can monitor the invoice status from the Invoices dashboard, where Stripe will show whether it's draft, open, paid, or still awaiting payment. Thanks for watching.